Today we will speak about something rather important. Today we will discuss what determines your ad rank. And if we are talking about rankings, it must logically follow that there must be examinations and there are students who are competing for one particular ranking. And the students here are the clients of Google Ads. So how do they compete and how do they rank? Today we will discuss that. How do Google Ads clients ensure that they rank highest in Google? They are paying the money. It must logically follow that they should be ranking one. That's the whole idea of paying so much, isn't it? It's not always the case that they rank number one. Many times they rank number two. Sometimes they come in the bottom of the page feed. What influences these factors? Let's say, for example, let's go back to this example of students in an examination. Say, for example, I speak about children's books, right? And children's books is a keyword. And I use that in my headline, I use that in my description, I use very interactive ad copies, and that ensures that it gets to the first page and it's there in the bottom of the page. But why didn't it rank higher? Why didn't it get to the number one position? There are a lot more factors than just ad copy. What are those factors? The first factor is landing page experience. Landing page experience is not just your page speed. It is a heck of a lot more than that. The first factor is that your website should resonate with the general idea of the keywords that you have chosen. This is called keyword theming. Now, keyword theming is not just the list of those keywords that you have chosen. It is also that those keywords are there present in your website and that the relevance of those keywords has been justified according to Google, of course. Then the second one is ad relevance. Now, this and landing page experience is slightly different. Now, landing page experience also includes cumulative layout, paint, the first contentful paint, etc. All these things are speed related issues. But ad relevance also includes legitimacy of the website. This also includes concepts such as expertise, authority, trustworthiness. So all these factors are also essential when we compute ad relevance. And ad relevance is only given to, and it's given, the number one ranking is only given to those people who are authoritative in their field. Let's say, for example, I were to take the example of Panchatantra books, right? And we are competing for children's books. Of course, Panchatantra has been there since a very long time. Amar Chitrakatha has been there since a very long time. I don't know what all other children's books are. Haven't read them in a long time. But let's say Amar Chitrakatha is there and they have very good reviews. They are there on social media. They have a lot more social media followers, subscribers. People are watching their YouTube videos every day. Naturally, their ad rankings will be much higher than somebody who's newer. So that is another reason why ads rank higher. And the last reason is the keywords in your keyword list should be there in your headlines and descriptions. The basic things, they really matter, my friends. You have to use them in your headlines. As many number of headlines and as many number of descriptions if you're using website links. So these are the three reasons why a particular ad will rank number one on Google. So next time I will meet you with another set of topics, and if you really like my video, please consider hitting the subscribe button, and I will meet you next time.